and fell short of voters and candidates' expectations. There was a process failure, and we must note here that the presidential election in 2017 were annulled because of Iebc process failure. As a consequence, we cannot recognize the leaders as announced by Iebc in Kiambu, and we call for annulment and repeat of elections in this county. I think I only need to add that the evidence goes beyond the 300,000 votes for Kiambu. What we have now is close to 1 million votes across the Mount Kenya region that have been cast to the presidential candidate but cannot be traced to either the governor, senator, or women rep position. And the question we are asking is the same. How do you get 6 ballot papers? Mark only 1. 5 are either lost and we don't know where. They cannot be accounted for. What would be the implications of that? As you can remember, that was a question also that was raised in 2017. And as a result of that, the court ruled that the elections were not free and fair. That is of concern to us.
It is signed by everyone, but unfortunately, it has no data. You can see there are no votes inside that form. So it means that our people were compromised, their POs were already compromised, and they just wanted a signed form, and then they would distribute whatever figures they want. That is why you see some people have 0-0, and some people have got almost 99% of the votes casted in that particular polling station. So if you go to another one, you can see in this one, I have got several examples. Look at this. You can see that my votes, 200 and something, were cancelled and given to somebody else. Okay? And then you can see the first row, where the first candidate was supposed to have his votes. Is 0, is nothing. The first row has nothing. And then the second one has 0-0. And the third one, which is myself, I was supposed to have, you can see it is a 300 and something. It was cancelled and the 3 was made to a 0. And down there, now the UDA candidate was given my votes. And you can see, shamelessly, they just cancel on that form. And then they do, and they write their own thing. Yeah? So it's, and it is also stamped, Iebc. Yeah? And this stamp is for the deputy clerk. You can see that. I mean, deputy PO, DPO. And if you look at where we are supposed to sign here, so basically again, yeah, this form, they omit some people, so only some people would sign in this form. You find that some of these forms are actually signed by MCA agents, while they were supposed to have been signed by gubernatorial agents. Okay? So irregularities and illegalities is crazy, I can tell you this. Cancellations. In fact, what I'm showing you here is just a tip of the iceberg. Just a tip of the iceberg. All these are cancellations.